I think I messed up. For years, I watched others talk about making money online, but I always thought it was just a bunch of empty promises. I'd see ads for work-from-home jobs or hear about people earning passive income, and I'd roll my eyes, convinced it was all too good to be true. Maybe you felt the same way, skeptical, cautious, or just overwhelmed by all the options out there. I spent years ignoring online income, thinking it was all hype. I'd close my laptop, telling myself that real money could only be made the traditional way, clocking in, working long hours, and hoping for a raise. But deep down, I wondered if I was missing out on something bigger, something that could give me more freedom, flexibility, and control over my life. Turns out I was wrong. Whether you're dreaming of ditching your daily commute, paying off debt, or just building a side hustle, there's never been a better time to start making money online. The digital world has exploded with opportunities, and people from all walks of life are finding creative ways to earn from the comfort of their homes. You don't have to be a tech genius or a business expert, just willing to learn and take that first step. Imagine waking up and knowing your office is just a few steps away, or being able to work from your favorite coffee shop, or even while traveling. That's the reality for millions of Americans today. Americans are cashing in with freelancing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and even investing, all from their laptops. Some are building full-time businesses, while others are simply earning extra cash to cover bills, save for vacations, or invest in their futures. The beauty of online income is that it's flexible. You can start small and grow at your own pace. There are so many paths to explore. Maybe you have a skill you can offer as a freelancer, or a passion you want to share through content creation. Maybe you're curious about e-commerce, or you want to learn how to make your money work for you through investing. The options are endless, and there's truly something for everyone. The key? Find what works for your lifestyle and skills. Take some time to reflect on what you enjoy, what you're good at, and how much time you can realistically commit. You don't have to figure it all out at once. Just start exploring and see what sparks your interest. Start by exploring platforms like Upwork or Fiverr for freelancing, where you can offer your services to clients around the world. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, there's a demand for your skills. These platforms make it easy to get started, build a portfolio, and connect with people who need your help. Or dive into content creation on YouTube or TikTok. If you love sharing ideas, teaching, or entertaining, these platforms can help you reach a massive audience, and even earn money through ads, sponsorships, and fan support. Into sales? Try dropshipping, where you can run an online store without ever handling inventory. Or Amazon FBA, which lets you sell products on Amazon while they handle the shipping and customer service. It's a great way to tap into the world's largest online marketplace and build a real business from home. Want passive income? Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn commissions by recommending products you love. You don't need to create your own products, just share your honest opinions and help others make smart choices. And investing, whether it's stocks, real estate, or even crypto, can help you grow your wealth over time. With so many apps and resources available, it's easier than ever to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. The best part, you don't need a fancy degree or tech skills, just consistency, curiosity, and a willingness to learn. There are free tutorials, online communities, and step-by-step guides for every path. If you're willing to put in the effort, you can build something amazing. So why wait? Your online income journey starts now. Take that first step, explore your options, and see where it leads. The digital world is full of possibilities. Your future could be just a click away.